Is your HiSense Roku TV stuck on this recovery mode screen and you won't go to the home screen? Don't worry, in this video I will show you 2 simple ways to get your TV back to normal again. So if your TV is stuck on this screen, first you have to select your preferred language here. And after that, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. I will choose here wireless, then select my network and enter the password. So once the TV connects to the internet, you will see the recovery option screen. Now select update now here and your HiSense Roku TV will start checking for updates automatically. Just wait and don't press anything. So while the update is installing, in many cases the TV will restart by itself and take you back to the normal home screen. But if that still doesn't fix the problem, you just have to go to the second method. Go to the back of your HiSense Roku TV and find the small reset button. So press it one time and your TV will restart automatically. After the reboot, the recovery mode screen should disappear and your TV should go back to the regular home screen. That's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till then.